Hello, welcome to Ababil Math World. Today we are going to solve a problem, find the root of minus 1. So we know that minus 1 can be written as I square. I is the imaginary square root of minus 1. So if we take this pi root of minus 1, we can write pi root of I square, and nth root of a is equal to a to the power of 1 by n. So pith root of minus 1, which is pith root of I square, can be written as I to the power of 2. This 1 by n becomes 2 by pi. I to the power of 2 by pi. Euler's formula is e to the power of I theta is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. And when theta is replaced by pi by 2, it becomes e to the power of I pi by 2 is equal to cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. So e to the power of I pi by 2 is equal to cos pi by 2 is 0, I into sin pi by 2 is 1. So e to the power of I pi by 2 is equal to I. So we use this e to the power of I pi by 2 is equal to I here in this one. So then instead of this I can write e to the power of I pi by 2 and this whole to the power of 2 by pi. This is equal to pi to root of minus 1. So this is pi to root of minus 1. Now write this in this way. Pi to root of minus 1 is equal to e to the power of I pi by 2 whole to the power of 2 by pi. And for this left hand side, we use the formula a to the power of m whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m into n. When we use it, pi to root of minus 1 is equal to e to the power of I pi by 2 into this 2 by pi. So here 2 pi pi, we may cancel it. So we get e to the power of I, and this is pi to root of minus 1. And according to this formula, e to the power of I theta is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. This I can be written as I into 1 actually. So according to this Euler's formula, this becomes cos 1 plus I sin 1. So therefore the final answer is pi to root of minus 1 is equal to cos 1 plus I sin 1. This is the answer. So if you like this solution to this tricky problem, so please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.